Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Tay here. Today we taking a look at this new case that I just got for my iPad Pro. It's by iVAPO. I have some company branding down here at the bottom. You can pick it up on Amazon for $19.99, and it does come in 3 colors. The black we have here, a blue color, and also a red. And it's compatible with the iPad iPad Pro 9.7 inch, and then also the iPad Air 2. And I believe they also make some for some of the other models of iPad. So what's special about this case is, first of all, it has a TPU outside, and it has this nice, like, sleek, elegant look to it. It's not just your average black. It's kind of like a grayish black. It just looks a little premium. And then once you open it up, it does have a microfiber feel on the inside, and also this velvet feel for the screen. So this is going to be very protective for your screen. But the thing that really sets this case apart from other cases with the same similar style is the fact that it has a Apple Pencil holder right here in the middle. So I want to go ahead and slap my iPad in here real quick. Alright. Cool. So we got it in. So it does have a sleep wake feature for the iPad. So I'm going to turn it off so you can see. I don't think I have it quite in at the top. Alright. I think it's all the way in now. So it does have a sleep wake feature. So as you can see, if I turn the screen off, and it's a little difficult to press with this button at the top, but you can wake the screen up. It does have like a little exterior button over top of the power button. A little difficult to press. I can't really like feel any feedback when I do press it, and as you can see, it is working, but it's a little difficult when you're actually pressing it. We have a cutout speaker here at the top. For the speakers, we have 2 cutouts for the speakers here at the top, sorry, and then also one for your headphone jack. You do have a nice cutout for your camera and the flash, so if you like to take pictures with your iPad, and then your microphone is not blocked or anything. Then down here at the bottom we have a long cutout for the speaker grills and one for the lightning charging port. So this case can also, you can stand it in different ways. So if you want to type on it, it's just nice and convenient. And you can stand it straight up like that. But let's get into the main thing for the case. It's the Apple Pencil holder. So you actually, let me see. I haven't put it in here yet, because it looks like the top goes up here, but it's not fitting. So maybe this here. Okay, so it goes straight in like that. Really convenient. I know I take my iPad with me, and I've had cases that don't have anywhere for me to place my pencil, and I usually use this magnet here for it to stick to the screen. But this is really convenient. It doesn't make it any bigger than your average case for your iPad. It looks really nice and professional. And then you can pull it open. You have 2 places on this side, so you can go ahead and just pop the Apple Pencil up. That easy. Top might get caught inside, but yeah, man, that's really convenient. And if you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna throw the link in the description where you can find it on Amazon. And if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or anything, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. It's your boy Tay signing out. Peace.